Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video. And as an Indian entrepreneur, we all want to make a great app for Indian public, right? Like maybe you can go make it for global audience, but we started out with India, like most of us. Okay, but the tools that we use all are like made specifically in the Western side and specifically Western people keeping in mind, right? So while you are developing a prototype for an Indian app, naming a like random data, like random placeholder or random person's name as John Doe doesn't make sense at all, right? Rather than we are having names like Rahul Subramaniam or Abhijit Mukherjee or something like that, right? Now, no specific, like I am not taking some names specifically. Those just came into my mind and I said it. Okay, no intention intended here. Okay, whatever. So those are kind of names, and the specific datas we have, like we have PAN, we have UPI. Like UPI, like UPI is only in India. Nowhere else UPI works. So we have some special things as well as an Indian. Okay, so we need some of those datas, like need to create some of those smart mock datas when you are developing a prototype or maybe testing something, whatever you say in general. Okay, so for that, uh, we have like not we have like I have found a really great Figma plugin. So this is not a JSON database or some kind of like a thing like that, but this is a basic Figma plugin. I would love if they have provided a JSON database as well, whatever. But this is really great new Figma plugin, which will provide you with tables with tons of random data that is specific to Indian people, like specific to Indian genre of content. Okay, so let's just see a preview of that new plugin. So here I am at my Figma, and here the plugin is already open. You can see. So this plugin has two windows. One is add data to text layer. So you can literally choose a text layer and add data to that. Like if I want to choose something random, okay, and if I click on it, done. Okay, and rather than that I can also have a data table generated for me. So here you see all of the data are here. Number of user, I can increase number of users, maybe number of users 10, and if I click on generate, it will, yeah, generate a table for me. Okay, and in that table you can see that all of the details are available, right? Here is user 1, here is user 2, here is user 3, user 4, blah blah blah. And you can see what of the documents I have chosen. I've chosen full name, then date of birth, email ID, mobile, urban address, city, state, pin code, profession, UID, Aadhaar, PAN. And you have the options of UPI with name, UPI with mobile, driving license, vehicle RC, Indian passport, rural address, age, first name, last name, separate, everything that you have right here. Okay. Here you can see it had created some of the datas, right? Here are some. Okay. So pretty much great in terms of use case. So I would not like to show them. I don't know if those data are totally random or if they have any specific meaning or not. I don't know about that, but yeah, those are some things. And here is some disclaimer notice as well. Okay, whatever. I will read the disclaimer later. Whatever. So that's basically about it, about this plugin. That's how you use it. That's how easy it is, and nothing else. Nothing else in specific. That's it for this video. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. I'm going to use this plugin for it, like for a lots of cases now. You can also use it. I know. Try it out. Let me know if you liked it or not. And If you like my videos, oh, I have said that already. Whatever. And if you know about some of the great plugins like this, please let me know about them in the comment section below so I can feature them in the future videos as well. So bye for now.